Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a quick and easy and delicately flavored carrot. A quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 or 3 green chilies that you put according to your taste, slit, and about 6 or 7 curry leaves. These can be fresh or dried. I've got dried curry leaves and that's what I'm going to use. And other than that, just a bit of salt and cooking oil, vegetable oil, and I promise you will love the flavor and taste of this dish. You can serve it as part of a meal with puris or parathas, rice, dal, meats if you have the meats, or just other vegetables. But this is really simple and very delicious. You have to try it. Okay, let's get cooking. Have the pan on high heat and then put in approximately a tablespoon of vegetable cooking oil. That to heat up. Put in the mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon. Let them crackle. Throw in the green chilies. Now that the seeds are crackling, we just put in the carrots. Salt to taste. And there you have it. It's all cooked and ready to serve. So now it is done and ready to serve. I have to tell you that it took a bit longer than I thought. I thought it would take about 15-20 minutes, but it's actually taken about an hour. I think the carrots had a lot of water and it just took a bit longer to cook. But it's delicious and so simple. Just all you need is a few mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds, some green chilies, curry leaves, salt. That's it, and it's so good for you. So as part of an Indian meal, serve this as one of the items. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious, and it's good for you. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, do subscribe and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I bring out a new dish. And do share ahead with your friends. Somebody out there might like this dish. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.